So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show how to use AI for depth. Okay, so let's start our video, and before starting this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Siya Ram, Jai MERA BAJRANGBALI. So let's see this video how we can just put AI, I mean depth using AI in Nuke. So let me copy this file, I mean footage. Now take this, and obviously I need to set this format. So it's this format, I hope. Okay, now so how can I put the depth using AI? So in Nuke, if you guys heard about category, so there's a node called Midas. Okay, now just take this Midas node. After taking this node, just direct connect into this footage. Now after connecting this footage, if you view guys, then see, so nice. Okay, it's a very nice, right? It's a cool, obviously, right? So after using some category nodes, I find this node very useful. Okay, and obviously yeah, in the previous video I show how the rotoscoping works using AI, but it's not so much better for me. I mean not so good to me. Okay, it's okay for freelancer guys, but not so much good for production. But obviously using tape is very much required in production. Okay, especially in CG. So obviously I know that CG will render from CG software, but sometimes we need to put depth in 2D shots also, right? Some special effects or some extra animation, so or be a camera position also. So I can use this node too much, right? Obviously this is a cool node. I find this very useful. Now if you guys place R here, now see the alpha of the red channel. So basically we're gonna take a sharpen node here. Now put this red into the alpha. Now see, I get the alpha. Now how can you use this depth? It's so much nice. Let me talk about the node first. Now go to this node. There is some setting called model type small. Obviously now for now I am just keep this small. If you guys take this large, it will be give better result, and also optimize. Okay, so this also same thing. If you on, obviously one thing you need to know guys, if you on this, maybe some little bit quality will be lost. Okay, but if you don't off this, I mean on this, then it will get higher value, I mean higher result, but it will take too much time to render, I mean to buffering. Okay, now if I just take the sharpen node, after taking the sharpen node, basically how can I just use this node actually? So after taking the sharpen node, okay, how can I use this node? What purpose? Okay, now for such example, if I take here a copy node, just give the A pipe in the sharpen and the B pipe in the page. After this, just take here I distort. Okay, take this and give this UV channel to alpha. Now if you guys full this UV offset 1, now if I just change the scale, see how much it's giving me result, right? Fully distorted, right? See, so nice result, right? So nice result is giving. See here, so nice result it's giving, right? So in video you can use, in video also you can use to do stereo comp. I will try to make a separate video for stereo comp, how can use this depth to do stereo conversion. Okay, but this is very good, right? Now so here I am just taking another footage. Now see another thing guys. Okay, if you on or take this node, okay, just check this optimize as I told you guys for just now. Okay, that on this no option, but after on this option just check properly. Okay, so I need to off this. Okay, now see, let me see. So see, it's not working, right? So this is a problem of AI. Obviously this is a problem of all this node. If you just save the file and reopen the file, so maybe your footage or the node will gonna be crash, right? Like this. So if I take a new Midas node, okay, no worries. But yes, one thing is better, that one thing is good to tell, that in this node there is not too much setting. So I can just retake it, right, and connect this here. Now see how cool result is giving, right? After this same I put the depth, right, and copy, and see after I distort, see how much it's getting, right? So nice result is giving, right? See, so nice result is giving. See, now if you guys, for example, if you guys take a just normal 2D plate image, and if you guys gonna be do keying work or some BG works, okay, such example, if you take a footage, if you just remove the BG screen, I mean the BG chroma, and just place this BG for example, take a still image, and you guys need to animate that BG, some little motion in that BG. If you guys want to make some previous shots, right, so or storytelling shot. Okay, then also you guys can use this node. For example, if I take this image for example and I just take Mila's node here. Now see, after just connecting this node, I take this here and I will get a very cool result. See how cool is it, right? See, or also you can guys take this large. Okay, it will give more result, more better result. So after this, what I will do, simple thing, take a sharpen node here. Now keep this red to alpha and take a copy node here. A pipe will gonna be sharpen and B pipe in the footage. And let's take a ID start node, right? Now see one cool thing I am going to show you. Keep this alpha, just full this offset and give here UV scale, right click set key and come last frame, just give some animation, right? Now see how cool it will work. See. Now I am just gonna be play my footage. Now see, it will take a time little bit, but see how cool isn't? See, so better result, right? It's look like real animation, right? And also you can guys give this more value. Just one thing, you need to check properly after giving more values. Okay, now see, because obviously yeah, it's not a 3D, right? It's a 2D footage. Okay, isn't it very cool? See, so realistic movement, but obviously yeah, check these edges, right? See, so don't do that. We have transform tool, right? Just copy this here, okay, with some value setting, right? Now see how cool is it, right? So I especially find this node very useful for me. Okay, I especially find this node very useful. Okay, you just guys practice, okay, with this node, because some nodes are very good. Okay, some nodes are required in some deadline time. Okay, actually some deadline shot we have to do using depth. So if the depth is missing, then you gonna guys can use this node to create that depth. Okay, in also footages or also in stills, right? See, so realistic movement. So I can make this, if I want I can make a previous shot. If I want I can make a BG, animated BG, right? For keying or chroma works, I can create multiple things. As a content creator also I can use this, right? For storytelling, I will take a photo any of for my story and I put the depth and I just animate it. After that I have to render, right? That's the thing. So obviously it's a very cool thing, right? I find this very useful. I hope you guys also find this node especially very useful. So try this node. So if you guys like this video, obviously please subscribe to my channel and follow my channel. Okay, don't miss any videos, and also share this video to others. Okay, and I hope you guys really like this video. Okay, and also just keep sharing all the videos. Thank you. And before ending this video, as I say, Jai Siya Ram, Jai MERA BAJRANGBALI.